Today I'm sharing a fun and easy ukulele lesson. We're going to use the C chord, the F chord, and the G7 chord. And of course that takes us home back to C. I Like a Pineapple is an original song I wrote after I went to Hawaii, and I wanted to write a simple song using these 3 chords that anybody can play. I hope you like the song and that it helps you learn these chords. Let's start by playing a steady beat on the C chord. Here we go. Great. I like to play in counts of 8, and if I'm working with younger children, I'll play 2 counts of 8, a little bit longer for them so they can really get the feel of playing on the beat with this one chord. The next chord is F, and we're going to put our first finger on the 1st fret of the E string and our 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. Let's play 2 counts of 8. Here we go. 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Our next chord is G7, and let's keep things simple. Let's leave our first finger here, and we're going to make what I call like the triangle pose, like in yoga. We're going to put our 2nd finger on the C string 2nd fret and our 3rd finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. This makes the G7 chord. Let's play that 2 counts of 8. 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, and 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're ready to put the chords with the phrasing of the song. I'll play a line and then I'd like you to copy it back to me. I like a pineapple, pineapple to eat. As you can see, that was 2 counts of 4 or 8 beats. Let's play it together. 1, 2, here we go. I like a pineapple, pineapple to eat. Then we're going to switch to the F chord, and we're going to play that half as long. So it's going to be 4 of F, and then we're going to play down to the C after that. I'll play it first, and then you can play it with me. I like a pineapple, pineapple sweet. Let's play 4 on F and then 4 on C. 1, 2, here we go. I like a pineapple, pineapple sweet. Now I'm going to go to the G7. And I'm only going to play that chord 2 beats. Ooh, and then on F2, ooh, it's a, and to the C, treat, 2, 3, 4. Then I repeat again with a little bit different words. Ooh, a juicy treat, 2. And then I go 2 beats each C to the G7, and then I would go to the 2nd verse. So I will play through the whole first verse with you, and then you can try and play along, and then I'll play it again. We can do it together. I like a pineapple, pineapple to eat. I like a pineapple, pineapple sweet. Ooh, it's a treat. Can you play along with me? I like a pineapple, pineapple to eat. I like a pineapple, pineapple sweet. Ooh, it's a treat. Ooh, a juicy treat. Now you're ready to sing and play along with the cute animated video.
I like pineapple, pineapple to eat. I like pineapple, pineapple sweet. Ooh, it's a treat. Ooh, a juicy treat. I like pineapple at home or at school. I like pineapple. Pineapple is cool. Ooh, it's a treat. Ooh, a juicy treat. I like pineapple. It is so fine. I like pineapple all the time. Ooh, it's a treat. Ooh, a juicy treat. Ooh, it's a treat. Yummy sweet.